Alright YouTube, here comes our first train of the night here with NSVO 731 westbound here in Suffolk. Same power from last week. 8883 and 7511 leading the way. And got some friends on duty tonight as well. I'll get him in a second. Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Hey! I love it! I love it! I love it! Classic! Yeah! 8883 and 7511! Woohoo! Oh my God, I cannot believe what just happened! My buddy comes out from right outside the locomotive on the side, gives me a nice wave. Wow. As they once again will lead at NSVO 731 on the diverging clear. So here we will watch the same power from last week as they will lead the NSVO 7 West. Then he will disconnect his train and come back on main 2 as light power. Then he will do a reverse move on main 1, couple his train again, and then he will proceed east. containers coming out tonight. And I see the bear tables coming off the switch as well. And here comes the end of VO7 as he comes to a crawl. He's coming to a crawl because he's going to stop down the track. He'll cross his power over so he can run around his train. And 7511 is going to take it east. And we also have a 41N that is also in the picture. He should be coming west any time now. I don't know if 41N is going to be holding, let me see, I don't know if he's going to hold it for VO7 to do his reverse move back. I don't even know what's going to happen at this point. So, here comes it. Okay, I just got confirmation of another rail fan. They're slowing the train down so they let the brakeman come off. And then he'll clear the cross and then they will proceed on. As he's coming to a quick stop to let the brakeman off. He's Barry. Barry.
Alright, take him on in.
Let the brakeman off. You cannot get off moving equipment.
Yes, you can. On NS, yes, you can.
Not what this guy over here told me.
Oh, crap. NS, you can get off and move the equipment.
You can now. Couldn't before.
All right, VO7 back on the move.
Somebody's lined on CSM to be actually right now.
This one with a new wheel on it. Well, there you go, YouTube. Here comes the end of VO7. He just let his brakeman off so they can now do the reverse move on a successful diverging clear. Woohoo! Well, there you have it, YouTube. That's NSVO7 Part 1 with the same power from last week leading the way. The fellow that came out on the side of the locomotive was a good friend of mine. His name is Anonymous. He came out.
VO7 got a clear signal. Main track number 1, Kilby, westbound.
Well, anyway, we're waiting on the light power move, and we will all be waiting for 41N. All right, thanks for watching. All right, YouTube, here comes NSVO7 Part 2. As the light power comes back, you'll do a successful diverging clear. Thank you.
Clear signal. Main track number 2, 1, stop. VO7.
You want to take pictures, Tony? Go ahead. Take pictures of you. Oh, Lord. The power's pumping stuff. Hang on.
Clear there, VO7.
9511, come on, bring it on, babe, come on. Well, there go the engines on the light move. They're going to cross over back there and they'll come back on main 1. All right, we'll be back shortly. Thanks for watching.
VO7, good for 20 more to the crossing, hope. 20 to the cross. You got the horn back there? No, sir, no, sir. I'm riding on the platform. Okay.
All right, guys, here you have VO7's power again. They dropped a crew member off to take care of something. I do not know what's going on. And they're blowing the engine.
VO7, gates down, crossing is clear. Come on back, look for 30 on the next one, hope.
And you got somebody on the platform, so they're blowing the horn from everyone.
Alright, VO7. 10 on the next one. Alright, VO7. Gates down, next crossing's also clear. Come on back, look for 30 more. Alright, VO7, gates down, crossing's clear. Come on back, look for 40, oh. 40.
Alright. I'm turning this shit off. Might get that done.
Alright, VO7, gates down. On the next one, crossing's clear. Good for 40 more. Gates down, clear 40.
Well, there you go, guys. There goes VO7. Thanks for watching.